What's the meaning of circular? Circular. Circular.
Circular. Circular. The term circular refers to something that is shaped like a circle or revolves around a common center. It can also refer to a pattern or process that repeats itself continuously. The concept of circularity can be seen in many different areas, such as mathematics, physics, design, and economics. In mathematics, a circle is a two-dimensional shape that has no corners or edges. In physics, circular motion refers to an object moving in a circular path around a central point. In design, circular patterns can be used for decoration or to create a sense of unity. In economics, the circular flow of income model illustrates how money flows between households and businesses in a circular manner.